This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Nelson Borrego. She has it all. This is the one: travertine marble floors throughout, granite countertops with wood cabinets. The barrel tile roof was replaced in 2013. Plus, crown molding, solid wood doors, plantation shutters in 2 of the bedrooms, Roman tub with jacuzzi in the master, remodeled bathrooms and kitchen. Stainless steel appliances. High-hat lighting, tankless water heater, pantry/laundry room, spacious family room opens to a backyard with oasis pool area. Great places to entertain on an oversized 8,000 square foot lot, room for an RV/boat, 2 secured entries with a full cabana bath.Easy to show, but 24-hour appointment is a must. For more